Astoria is a neighborhood in the western portion of New York City. It is bounded by the East River and is adjacent to three other neighborhoods, the Long Island City, the Sunnyside, and the Woodside. And for this project, we're going to be mainly focusing on Astoria Park. Topics we'll be focusing on are linking nature, barriers, and city-to-park access. First, we will be talking about New York's breeding bird map, using information found from Department of Environmental Conservation of New York State. Under the Natural Resources and Environmental Protection map, under the Wildlife maps, Breeding Bird Atlas in Eastern and Southern New York. The file records the location and type of bird found in the eastern and southern part of New York State. However, these data are from the 2000s until 2005 Breeding Bird Atlas survey. Birds that are often seen around Astoria in 2000 to 2005 include species of falcons, pigeons, crows, mockingbirds, sparrows, and more. Second, we're going to talk about visual and physical barriers around the site. The pool is located on the riverside, therefore elevation is very low. Looking at the buildings around the site, we can see semi-tall commercial buildings, and we also can see short residential buildings. On the southwest side of the park, the Robert F. Kennedy Bridge and the trees act as visual barriers, and the fences act as physical barriers to the park. On the southeast side, the commercial building also acts as a barrier towards the city. This is the first entrance from the southwest side. In this case, the change room acts as a physical barrier to the pool, and the topography acts as a physical barrier to the change room. At the same time, the commercial building in the back acts as a physical barrier to the park. The second pool entrance is similar to the first one. However, in the back, it becomes low-rise residential buildings. From the riverside view, we can see the pool is located between the Kennedy Bridge and the Hellgate Bridge, and is hidden behind the riverside route and the trees in Astoria Park. The maps here demonstrate the barrier, red as visual and blue as physical. Next, Harry will talk about entry and access.
This is Harry Lee. The part I am responsible for is linking, access, threshold, and entry. In my first drawing, you can see the large green area or natural area that this park brings to this district. Surrounding the park is a circle of sidewalks. There are many entries here that can provide you with access to the park. I use yellow circles to mark them. In comparison, there are far fewer entrances to the pool from the park, which I marked with blue squares. The second drawing shows the entire park. You can see that I traced the path in the park with red lines. This passes through the woods and lawns of the park. I also connect the city and the nature. B1.3 is to show the pool. My drawing, I used a purple line with arrows to mark the route of people entering the pool.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.